Hi, and welcome to another in Start Rescue series of driver information videos. In this video, we're going to show you how to check the pressure of your tyres. This is an essential piece of car maintenance that should be easy to perform for yourself. It's important that you check your tyre pressures regularly, as tyres naturally lose pressure over time, and incorrect pressures will affect how quickly you can brake, the handling of your car, fuel economy, and your general driving comfort. When checking tyre pressures, make sure you are using a pressure gauge that uses the same unit of measurement as the pressure guidelines recommended for your car. You can find the required pressure in BAR or PSI by consulting the vehicle manual or a sticker located normally on the driver door pillar. Once you've located the right pressure gauge, take off the valve dust cap from the tyre valve and place the pressure gauge onto the tyre valve stem. Press down the gauge evenly on the valve stem and look at the reading on the pressure gauge to see if you need to inflate or deflate the tyres. For inflating tyres, use a suitable pump and add small amounts of air at a time to avoid overinflation. If you need to deflate the tyres, use the tip of a flathead screwdriver to push on the metal pin on the valve stem to release air. It is also important to take regular measurements with the pressure gauge between inflating and deflating, and that you check all 4 tyres on your car, as pressure in each tyre can differ greatly. You should always check your vehicle handbook for any fault remedy before carrying out any work on your vehicle. If you are unsure of what is required to fix any problems, please consult a professional.